Good day everyone, this is the undecided code group 4 for the Arduino project. Here are the members. I am Juvan Macvilti.Dayo, the system analyst. Next.
My name is Joven El Sarmiento.
And Ansa Roland C.
And Joseph Ken Peterizo.
This is the Arduino project of group 4. Then, our first Arduino project is blinking lights. The parts for Arduino blinking lights are 1. LED lights, 220 resistor, pin wires, Arduino Uno, and the breadboard. Here is the code for the first project. The first line of code, int LED pin equals to 10, is the number of connection used for the Arduino. The void setup is the Arduino connection, while the void loop is the input used for the lights to blink on and off.